Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past orders on the Walmart grocery app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've ordered something on the Walmart grocery app. How do you actually go ahead and see your past orders? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart grocery app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, on the top middle hand side, you're going to see Purchase History. Click on View All. And then this is where you can see your purchase history on items that you've made. So you can see items that have been canceled and items that have been purchased and also in-store purchased as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past orders on the Walmart grocery app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.